These are Ryobi's 230mm industrial angle grinders. They are heavy duty and built to last. This is the premium range with high-end parts and mechanisms, cast aluminium gear housings, and an extended guarantee. They are almost identical except for the power. 2200 watts on the 237 and 2500 watts on the 239. They both produce a rotational speed of 6600 RPM, but with the extra 300 watts on the 239, you get a noticeable torque difference, which is great if you find yourself cutting a lot of stone and concrete. These grinders are dust proof, so less dust ingress and a longer life. And to make maintenance easier and reduce downtime, they have easy change brushes. Some of their features include spindle lock button for changing discs without slipping, trigger style power switch with a safety lock that doubles as a lock-on button, and a 3-position auxiliary handle with adjustable blade guard for varied working angles. These grinders weigh 4.9 and 5.1 kgs, have a cord length of 2.5 meters, and come with lock nut wrench and hex keys. Overall, 2 really powerful angle grinders built for heavy duty use. Now these are just some of the angle grinders available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the YouTube channel.